of all, I will coming to the volume, and contouring and areas will be discussed for the second unit. In the next, coming to the outcomes of surveying, identify the data collection methods, the proper field notes, and understanding the working of principles of survey instrument measurement in different errors and cumulative of measurements like different horizontal, vertical arrangement. Next, pre-requirements is engineering graphic required. Already will be first year will be already discussed in engineering graphic. Okay, coming to textbook. Different textbooks will be there in topic including first of all leveling, contouring, area measurements. Next, area measurements, volumes. Okay. Leveling contains there are 7. First of all, definition of leveling, objective of leveling, instrumentation using leveling, temporary adjustment of leveling, methods of levelings, and methods of determining of leveling, effect of curvature of earth reflections. First of all, why you're leveling conducting means before your constructions, any planning, any excavation work will be done. The before you're telling the all the levels will be requirement, because without leveling the estimation of budget, everything will be difficulty. Not properly any slope mills, next to drainage systems, everything will be difficulties in building foundations, everything. Okay, coming to the definition, the art to determine the relative heights and different points down below the surface of the earth is known as leveling. Objective of leveling, the objective of leveling to find the evaluation of the given points is expected to the some assumed reference of the called as datum. To establishment of the points is required elevations with the respective datum. Instrument used for the leveling, there are 3 types of leveling: leveling staff, dumpy level, auto level, and tripods. This is actually for leveling staff is wooden leveling staff and aluminum leveling staff. Okay, in leveling staff will be reading will be done in meters. Okay, this is a dumpy level given only for levels, or else will be find out not angles, horizontal and vertical angles. Okay, this is the parts of dumpy levels: eyepiece, diaphragm, and level tube, focusing screws and telescope, objective, level bar. Next, tray bench. Okay, next leveling of screws and trivet, and next tripod. This is the parts of dumpy level instrument. Auto level will be used for leveling purpose. For this is the example for the given for how to measurement with the dumpy level and leveling stuff will be given for different readings like 1.1 meter, 260. Okay, 260 phase. Will be converting the values everything in meters. Definition using for the leveling, the datum is the alternative for the surface which elevation is the point of refer to the India means of the mean sea level of the considered datum is 0 elevation suitable of the Mumbai. Okay, next, mean sea level. What is the mean sea level? Is the average height of the sea, all the stage of the tide of the averaging for the hourly and tide of the highly over the period of 19 years. Will be changing for the 19 years. 19 years will be elevations will be changed, everything that times again will be benchmark also change. Okay, next, coming to the elevation or reduced level. RL, it is the height or depth of any point above or below any datum is denoted by the RL. Okay, RL. Benchmark is the fixed reference point is known as elevation or respective of datum, means benchmark. There are different types, different definitions I will discuss here. Line of collimation. What is the line of collimation means? It is a line of joining of the intersection of the crosshairs of the diagram of the optical center of jet, glass, or continuous for known as light of sight. Line of sight. Height of instrument is elevation is a line, and height of instrument elevation of a line of the collimation is respected to datum. What is the backside? Before you are taking for any values, will be backside will be taking. It is a staff reading is taking is known as elevations. It is the first staff reading will take after step of instrument. Next, fourth side will be before you are in fourth side will be taking for the staff reading will be denoted by shifting the instrument in the fourth side, like one by one will be already just now also. Okay, Next, intermediate side is the last and first reading in the middle will be given is called as intermediate side distance. Changing point means one point to another point. Like it is a point which is the both forces or back say is greater take. Okay, changing point is called as changing point. Benchmark. The benchmark is a point is known as elevations. There are three kinds of benchmark: GTS, Great Trigonometrical Survey Benchmark; next, permanent benchmark; temporary benchmark. Will be totally will be given for temporary benchmark, GST, everyone, Survey of India. Temporary benchmark, I will know. Everyone take any assume 100 value. This is a figure, everything for the TGS benchmark. Okay, the benchmark for benchmark establishment, very high degree of precisions of the regularly intervals of the Survey of India department all over country for the position of RL value mean sea level in Mumbai in mean sea level. This is a benchmark, permanent benchmark, how to prepare everything in cement cube, like you will given Philip cube, I know value will be steel plate will be read, all those things and fix the value. This is a PWD. This is the permanent benchmark will be fixed on between GTS benchmark by government agencies such as railways, PWDs, etc. Means public work department, railway department will give the benchmark will be written as the permanent object such milestone, curvature, bridges, and value of clearance of the return of the position of the reduce and feature references. Feature references. Temporary benchmark. What is the temporary benchmark? There are reference points of the establishment during the leveling operations for there are break of the work for the end of the day of the values. The reduced level benchmark for the permanent objective, such stones of the trees, etc. The temporary adjustment is leveling, is the setting of leveling, leveling of telescope, focusing of eyepiece, and focusing of objective glass. Next, coming to the fixing the instrument of tripod, and next leveling of the instrument is fixed approximately by the tripod. Leveling, the leveling is done by the help of foot screws and purpose for leveling of a mark of vertical axis truly in vertical, it is done by help of the foot screws. Next one, you place the telescope parallel to the pair of foot screws and of the holding of the foot screws of the between them, and the first finger will be given turn inside or outside will be given for the different levelings of the screw. Okay, this is a figure already also. Inside or outside will be leveling purpose will be using for inside or outside. Next, the focusing of eyepiece. The eyepiece of the hold a white paper in the front of the object glass and move the eyepiece of the out of the tilt of the crosshairs will be directly in scene. Okay, some crosshair place marks will be visible. That time will be leave it. Okay. Focusing of object glass, the directly of the telescope to the leveling staff is looking through the telescope. Run of the focusing screws and image appears of the clearance of the shot. Classifications of leveling. There are 5 types of classifications: simple leveling, differential leveling, next fly leveling, and profile leveling. There are simple leveling is nothing but for the just for your take any 2 points will be called differential leveling. Different points will be considered in intervals. Fly leveling, one place to another placing will be called as fly leveling, and profile leveling will be given for the whole profile. Just now I will check. This is a simple leveling. Point benchmark is backside and in front of point A is foresight. This is a simple leveling process, only 2 points. In differential leveling, instrument will be changed and points also change. Like differential leveling means this method is find the difference in elevations between points in if they are truth or fair, or the part of the different elevations between them too much means sometimes. Okay, fly leveling is nothing but instrument by instrument TP. Temporary position 1, 2, 3 number of positions will be more. Profile leveling, sometimes curvature of more, sometimes curvature is less. That times will be definitely will be section will be consideration. Determinations of leveling. Height of the instrument. What is HI? Height of the instrument method and rise and fall method. The height of instrument in this method, the height of instrument is the calculate the each setting of the instrument of the adding and backside and elevation of the benchmark. In height of instrument, how to find out means that will be used only for benchmark added for backside. Rise and fall intermediate side or RL will be reduced. This is a rise and fall method. Next example, this is a problem example for very important how to calculate this problem in exam point of view also. Will be take for different values. This is the situation. రెండు పెట్టాలి. Yeah. Okay, this is the back side, intermediate side. This is a double column, and FH force side, HI height of instrument, RL reduce level. Remarks means remark. Why a remark means sometimes you will benchmark, sometimes changing the points. CP means changing the points 6th and 8th, and third position will be changed. This is the formulas, everything. Rise and fall method also there. Effective of curvature of earth reflections means we will given for the CC. Curvature of corrections always negative. The property of adjustment of the instrument for the reading with the respect of the horizontal line. So something has to be subtract to the all list of reading of the get the actual reading. CC equal to D square by 2R equal to negative. D is the distance of the stop reading of the point of the tangent for the radius of curvature. Next, CC is the curvature of corrections of the CR is effective of refractions. Okay, what are the requirement? What are means here will be requirement air of distances of the becomes of the sometimes tape corrections also required in curvature. Some formulas and compared effective of curvatures, everything will be visible. Next, what is the contour? Why you're contouring? Next topic will be coming to the contour. Why you're contouring will be conducted means the levels of the grounds. Different levels of grounds and imaginary lines join a point or equal elevation. Okay, that person will be using for contouring. Contouring interval, their interval distance between any two convention of the contour is known as contour interval. Okay. This is the figures of contour leveling. Characterizations of contour leveling. A series of contour lines is the higherly value of inside indicate the height. A series of contour line of the lower value inside the loop always indicate the depression. Close contour lines indicate the step slope. Point control lines indicate the fitted slope. The contour lines never cross each other. The expect for the in case of overhanging of the cliff, the all points on the contour line have equal elevations. Use the uses of contouring. Why you're using means why you're using for contouring. The contouring, the nature of ground surface of the region can be known as means contour maps help with the locating the properly site for the bridges, dams, and reservoir, etc. What is the capacity of reservoir can be calculated with the help of contouring map. The calculate the quantity of cutting and filling the embankment, the contouring maps, the routes, roadways, railways, and canals. It can be abstracted. Means we'll be using for contouring. Methods of contouring: direct method, indirect method. There are in direct method. In this method of contouring to be located of the directly of the tracked out the field, the locating of the marking of the number of points each contour. These points they have the serve for the plotting of the plane and contours for the draw through them. This is the interval of contouring for graphs. Calculations of area mid ordinate rule. Okay, mid ordinate rule will be there. In this ordinates will be measure of the mid points of the each division of the calculate the formula. Mid ordinate formula O1 plus O2 plus by 2. Okay, this is a process for mid ordinates and average ordinates formulas methods. Representative rules. Excuse me. The trapezoidal rule, this is assumed for the slot of the length of the boundaries between the ordinates area site of line area divided in a series in trapezoidal. Here formula will be discussed. Okay, contour map. DFL O1 and ON means so and so, some formula depends upon formulas. Here, what is the equal distance between ordinates and first ordinate, last ordinate? F equal to first ordinate, L is the last ordinate, O1 is the first offset, ON is the last offset. Seismic rules. Okay, this is a process for whole second unit, process for the different measurements and different calculations. Okay, will be given process for the second unit process. Okay, till now anyone doubt, please ask me. I will give explanation. This is a process of the second unit. If anyone doubt, please ask.